Hey, this is Swaggers doing Brink for GameGuideCentral.com. This is a quick little achievement guide for Brinkmanship. What you want to do is you need to be an operative, and then you need to finish it up with 5 seconds left. Come out of disguise and finish the objective. So you have to have the objective most of the way done. So we're doing this on Smash and Grab because the first objective in the match is a operative objective here to hack this terminal here. So you got to clear all the bad guys out. And of course, even though I'm playing on easy, because I'm level 14, they still take me down very quick. So there I go down, which is always fun in this game. You just go down all the time. And then you see if your medic can actually get to you, and he does! Oh my gosh, miracle of miracles, the medic actually gets to me. So then I just go for the hack, take out the bad guys, and our team is actually in here. And this one is a very long, you'll see this is a long hack, so get it up to the 95, at least 96. I finish it, I get out of there at 99, so I get lucky. But you definitely want to get it as close as you can. You might go down, you know, I think I had it at 80 and went down, and then of course the super AI on the other team just completely destroyed it in like 5 seconds. So this is actually my second go at this. The other thing you can do is you can do this in free play on either this map or the reactor map, and with one bot. Get it most of the way, kill the bot, take this guys, and do it that way. I'm doing it like in the middle of the game, so you know this is the much harder way to do it. And then we come here and get this disguise. Suck up whatever we're sucking up with our little PDA. And then come back in here and just finish up the final percent. And there you go, Brinkmanship. GameGuideCentral.com, full guides for all of Brink achievements, challenges, missions.
Get that safe